In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively troubleshoot login issues on eBay. If you're having difficulties accessing your account, follow these detailed steps to help resolve the problem. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Chrome on your computer. One of the most common culprits behind login issues is your browser's cache and cookies. These are snippets of information saved by your browser to help speed up your browsing experience. However, over time, they can accumulate and cause glitches, especially when you're trying to log into a website like eBay. In order to clear your cache and cookies, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome to open the menu. From there, navigate to Settings. Once in Settings, scroll down and find Privacy and Security and click on it. You should see an option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click it and make sure that cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both selected. Then hit Clear Data. This will remove the stored cache and cookies, hopefully eliminating any potential conflicts. After you've cleared the cache and cookies, go ahead and close Chrome completely. It's a good idea to restart the browser to ensure that everything is refreshed and running smoothly. So open Chrome again once it's fully closed. Next, navigate over to eBay. Simply type in the URL and hit enter. You'll be directed to the eBay homepage. Now, as you prepare to log in, it's essential to double check your username and password. Typos can easily happen, especially if you're in a hurry. Be meticulous here. Make sure your caps lock isn't turned on since passwords are case sensitive. If there's any chance you might have forgotten your password, don't worry. eBay has a forgot password feature to help. Simply click on it and follow the prompts to reset your credentials. You'll usually have the option to receive a reset link via email or text message, adding a layer of security and convenience. Another potential hurdle could be your browser extensions. Some extensions, particularly those related to ad blockers or privacy, might interfere with the login process. To troubleshoot this, open Chrome's extensions page by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting More Tools, and then Extensions. Here, you can disable any extensions by toggling the switch next to them. Try disabling all extensions temporarily to see if they are the source of the problem. You can always re-enable them later. With your cache cleared, credentials verified or reset, and extensions managed, attempt to log in again to eBay. This comprehensive approach usually resolves most login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to access your eBay account successfully. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thanks for tuning in today.